Feeling overwhelmed by deadlines? Drained by the daily challenges? Longing to reconnect with yourself and with nature? Whether you're a visionary leader, an ambitious entrepreneur, a devoted parent, or a creative soul, stress spares no one. And true wellness isn't found in busy schedules or concrete walls. It begins from within, where the soul finds stillness. Imagine a place where the air feels lighter, your mind feels clearer, and your spirit feels free. At Varuna Meadows, our mantra is simple: heal, breathe, thrive. It's not just a saying, it's the experience we've carefully created for you. Brought to you by Avenue Nest, we introduce you Varuna Meadows Farmland, a thoughtfully developed, managed farmland project nestled in nature's embrace just minutes from Mysore Airport. Strategically located for both convenience and tranquility, Varuna Meadows offers the perfect balance between peaceful countryside living and easy city access. Exclusively designed for just 64 discerning nature lovers. This isn't just a land investment. It's an invitation to a lifestyle of wellness, peace, and prosperity. Surrounded by lush greenery and clear skies, Varuna Meadows is where your journey to inner peace and long-term value begins. At Varuna Meadows, you'll discover more than just fertile land. You'll find a thoughtfully curated lifestyle. With over 50 plus high-yield plantations spread across nutrient-rich soil, the farmland is ideal for sustainable agriculture and long-term growth. The project features a range of natural amenities designed to enhance your connection with the earth and yourself. From dedicated spaces for meditation, farming, and slow living, to the peace of a pollution-free, noise-free, and stress-free environment, every element is built to nourish your well-being. Conveniently located close to Mysore Airport and just a short drive from the Mysore-Nanjangud Highway, Varuna Meadows offers the perfect balance of seclusion and accessibility. Within this gated, planned ecosystem, you're free to live naturally, breathe deeply, and invest wisely, both in your health and your future. With several upcoming government projects and infrastructure developments in and around Mysore, land here is poised for exponential growth. Combine that with sustainable farming and lifestyle potential. You're not just buying land, you're securing a legacy. Dear nature lovers and investors, this is your moment to gift your family a space where they can grow, breathe, and connect beyond the buzz of the city. At Varuna Meadows, we've created more than farmland. We've created a sanctuary for those who seek meaning, health, and a return on both emotion and investment. 64 carefully designed farm plots, only for the chosen few. Let the earth heal you. Let your investment grow with nature. Visit Varuna Meadows today.